Understanding the phrase, fish or cut bait. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, fish or cut bait. This expression is a gem in the English language, filled with cultural history and practical wisdom. It's often used in everyday conversations, so understanding its meaning and usage can really help you sound like a native speaker. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your conversations. At its core, fish or cut bait is an idiom that presents a choice between taking action or stepping aside to let others take action. It essentially means to make a decision and act on it or stop hindering progress and let someone else do the work. This phrase is often used in situations where indecision or procrastination is preventing progress or resolution. This expression has its roots in fishing. Imagine being on a fishing expedition. One can either be fishing, actively trying to catch fish, or cutting bait, preparing for someone else to fish. It's a metaphor for being productive or making way for others who will be. Historically, it emphasizes the importance of contributing to a collective effort or making a definitive choice to step back. Using fish or cut bait in your conversations can add a layer of richness to your communication. Here are a few examples. In decision-making scenarios, we've been discussing this issue for hours. It's time to fish or cut bait. When encouraging action, you've been talking about starting your own business for years. Aren't you ready to fish or cut bait? To highlight procrastination, this project isn't moving forward because you won't decide. You need to fish or cut bait. Remember, it's a phrase best used in informal settings or among those familiar with idiomatic expressions in English. Let's practice using fish or cut bait in a sentence. Try to create your own examples based on situations you've encountered or imagined. This will help you internalize the phrase and use it naturally in conversations. Thank you for joining us in today's exploration of the phrase, fish or cut bait. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning, origins, and how you can use it to enhance your English speaking skills. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with discovery. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to fish or cut bait in your learning process. See you in the next video.